These are called bobby pins.
These are called scrunchies.
These are called claw clips. These are called hair bands. Oh no! I got splashed with mud. Ouch! I bumped my head.
Ouch! I stubbed my toe.
Oh no! Tea spilled on my frock. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow for the next lesson. Don't say wait, say hang on. Don't say I understand, say I get it. Don't say I am very tired, say I am exhausted. Don't say I am going to sleep, say I am heading to bed. I am squeezing the lemon. I am stirring the coffee. Am whisking the eggs. I am pouring the milk. The milk spills. The water drips. The oil leaks. I pour the water. Watermelon. Watermelon rind. Egg. Eggshell. Corn. Corn husk. Banana. Banana peel. Spin around. Jump. Run. Sit. Stand. Fist bump. Great job.